Today is the 16th of February and I'm taking a look at the US dollar Canadian dollar on a monthly time frame using Serene Education's FX Ultimate 4 strategy. Here we can see by our matrix box we've almost got a perfect setup from the daily to the 5 minutes, and we can see that we are moving in a negative trend direction. Price, however, is still above the monthly and weekly 200-day moving average, indicating that the overall major trend direction is to the upside. Looking at the monthly, we've got a red arrow, blue candle, RMO is above, SMA is below and bright, so the FX2 part of the strategy is definitely not set up. What I have done here is put in a level of support and resistance at that 20-day moving average, as price could use it to bounce off in the future. So let's drop down now onto the weekly, and here we've got price struggling along that support level. We've got a red arrow, a blue candle, RMO is above, SMA is below and bright, so again FX2 part of the strategy is not set up. But what I'm going to do is put in the 200-day moving average of that weekly, and then again I'm going to put in that weekly swing that we've got here. We can see it acted as a support here, a resistance and a support back here as well. So we're starting to get entries and targets here. I'm going to drop down now onto the daily, and here we're getting today's candle trading very much lower than the previous day's close. We've got a red arrow, red candle, RMO is below, SMA is just above, dark showing a slowdown in momentum of that pullback that we've seen, but price is trading below those three moving averages, and more importantly, looking at price action in itself is trading lower than that previous day's close. So I'm going to drop down now onto the 4 hourly. Here you can see from the 4 hourly to the 5 minutes, our matrix is a perfect setup. We've got a red arrow, a red candle, RMO is below, and SMA is below and bright. Therefore, we have got the FX2 part of our strategy set up for selling positions. Now, you can wait for a close lower than that 4 hourly swing to get confirmation of a new swing low. The distance between those two levels, you're looking at around about 47 pips. So, being patient, waiting for confirmation of that, you can drop down onto smaller time frames. Look for those continuations. We've got a red arrow, red candle, RMO is below, SMA is below and bright. The FX2 part of the strategy is set up. Looking at where price is trading into at the moment, to that level, you've got around about 14 pips. We always say sometimes it is better to be patient, to wait for confirmations of that break and close below support levels for continuations to the downside. Yes, the strategy is set up, but yes, price could bounce off that like it has done previously. So I definitely want to keep on your watch list again today.